Excuse me, could you tell me what time breakfast is served?
Of course, breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
Great, and is breakfast included in my room?
Yes, it includes in your stay.
Perfect, where can I have it?
In the restaurant on the first floor.
Is it buffet or a la carte?
It's a buffet with many options.
Nice, do you have a vegetarian choice?
Yes, we do. Salad, fruit, bread, and more.
That sounds good, what about coffee?
We serve fresh coffee, tea, and juice.
Lovely, can I get breakfast earlier, maybe at 6:30?
Normally, it starts at 7, but we can prepare a breakfast box for you.
Oh, that's very helpful. How can I order one?
Just let us know the evening before.
Excellent, and is the restaurant busy in the morning?
It's usually quarter before 8.
Good to know, do I need to show my room key at breakfast?
Yes, please show it to the staff at the entrance.
Alright, and is there a dress code?
No street code, just casual clothing is fine.
Perfect, thank you for answering all my questions.
With pleasure, enjoy your breakfast tomorrow.